What's the meaning of affective? Affective. 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 The term affective refers to emotions, feelings, or moods. It can be used to describe an individual's subjective experience of emotions as well as the physiological and behavioral responses that accompany those feelings. The affective domain of human experience is often contrasted with the cognitive domain, which encompasses processes related to thinking, reasoning, and problem solving. In general, affective experiences are considered to be a fundamental aspect of human life, playing important roles in social interactions, personal well-being, and overall quality of life.